Hello and welcome. From this video, we are going to start new series known as load balancers. This topic is really very easy to understand and interesting as well. So, let's start. Here we are going to understand load balancers using 3 chapters. I am going to start with the chapter number 1, Introduction. Load balancing in Docker is a method used to distribute incoming network traffic evenly across multiple containers or tasks. This helps ensure that no single container becomes overwhelmed with too much traffic, which can improve the performance, reliability, and availability of your Dockerized application and service. Let me explain you this using picture. Let's say that you have Docker Swarm cluster and you have 3 nodes. It can be a manager node, worker node, no need to worry about this. Now you have one application called My App. And there are 3 different tasks are running into the 3 different Docker hosts. So one task is running into each and every Docker host. Now here, if you are going to open web application or website from the task, how the traffic will be served to the client? What do you think? Let's say that if somebody sitting over here at his or her home, if the user is going to open website or application from the task, all the traffic will go to this particular one task. If it is, then what about these 2 tasks? Why we have these 2 tasks over here? Because everything is going to one particular task. So you guys are aware that it is not a practical solution, right? It is not a practical solution. So the solution should be like this. Whenever the one person is going to open website, if the person is sending request first time, it is going to the T1, second T2, and the third will be going to the T3. So our main aim is to load balance the traffic across all the tasks running inside your Docker Swarm cluster. And this process is known as load balancer. If you are distributing the tasks, it is really good for the better performance, high availability. Let's say that if this task goes down, then the request will never forward it to this. These 2 tasks will handle all your requests. So, this magic is known as load balancing traffic across the multiple tasks running on the different hosts. Now the thing is how load balancer is actually working. Definitely we will discuss about this, but we have to understand types. In our Docker environment, we have 2 types of load balancer. One, we call it internal load balancer, and another one is known as external load balancers. I hope you got complete understanding about what is load balancer, and our aim is to distribute the traffic between all the tasks running for a specific service. Now, we also understood that there are 2 types of load balancers, internal and external. With next chapter, we will start with the internal load balancers, and then definitely we will go for the external load balancers as well. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Goodbye.